Well, another day and another adventure. We're here at High Falls in Onaping Falls, just outside of Sudbury. Here I am at High Falls, taking some photos here. You can see behind me the nice falls with the bridge over top. So anyways, I'm taking a photo here. I use the little maple tree growing out of the rock as part of my foreground. I don't know if you can see my screen here. No, only see me. But I'll show it to you there right now. Here I am standing in the middle of the river here, standing on the rocks, so it's not the water's not high enough to be here right now. So I'm gonna go for another shot here, try to get some of this part with the rock in the foreground and the fall in the back. But it continues on behind me here. I'll show you. Well, I finally found some fall colors in the trees. It is fall, but leaves are not very colorful right now, but so found some. Well, we're back at the truck. This concludes another adventure. Today we came to High Falls near Onaping, Ontario, just north of Sudbury. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, like the video, make a comment, and share it to all your friends. Thank you. Take care.